Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add money on Cash App. So let's start. First open the Cash App. This is the home screen of your app. Now to add cash, tap on the icon on bottom left corner. First you have to add your bank account. Scroll down and tap on Link Bank. Now you have to enter your debit card number. And if you don't have a debit card, then tap on No Card. Here you will see a list of banks. If you don't see your bank here, then tap on the search bar and search for your bank. Now go back and tap on Add Cash. Enter the amount and tap on Add. If you have already linked your bank account, then you will not see this page. You will directly proceed to the transaction. And that's how you can add money to your Cash App. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.